Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love quick and easy recipes, you're in the right place. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out. Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect roasted chicken in just 3 minutes. Sounds crazy, right? Let's dive in. First, here's what you'll need. 1 whole chicken, about 4 to 5 pounds, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a few sprigs of fresh thyme and rosemary, half a lemon. Okay, let's get started. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees, 200 to 220 degrees. Make sure your chicken is completely thawed and pat it dry with paper towels. This helps get that skin nice and crispy. Now rub the chicken all over with olive oil. This helps the seasoning stick and adds extra flavor. Next, mix the salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder in a small bowl. Sprinkle this seasoning mix all over the chicken. Don't forget to season inside the cavity too. Stuff the cavity with the fresh thyme, rosemary, and that half lemon. The herbs and lemon really infuse the chicken with amazing flavors. If you have kitchen twine, tie the legs together to keep everything in place. But it's not a deal breaker if you don't. Place the chicken breast side up in a roasting pan or a cast iron skillet. Pop it into the oven and roast for about 1 hour and 15 minutes to 1 hour and 30 minutes, depending on the size of your bird. You'll know it's done when the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees, 74 degrees, and the juices run clear when you cut between the leg and thigh. Halfway through roasting, baste the chicken with the pan juices. This keeps it moist and adds even more flavor. And there you have it, folks. Let your chicken rest for about 10 minutes before carving. This helps the juices redistribute, making every bite juicy and delicious. Serve it with your favorite sides, and you've got a meal that's sure to impress. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe for more quick and easy recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!